friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly add a web page to your bookmark folders on Google Chrome. So once you're inside Google Chrome, if you have your bookmark folder, as you can see, I have a to-do folder here. All I have to do is just simply right click on this folder and you will see an option that says add page. You simply click on that, it's going to allow you to add a web page, and so you have an example of where it shows the Google Chrome / and it shows new tab. So all you have to do is just give it a name. So let me give this one, for example, YouTube. As an example, I can name it like that, and in the URL section, all I have to do is just simple type in www. You don't even have to put that, you could just simple type in youtube.com, something like that. And once you type in youtube.com, you just need to go ahead and click and save. No, that's all there is to it. Now if I open or click on my bookmark folder in Google Chrome here, you can see that it adds YouTube there, and if I click on that, it's going to take me right over to youtube.com. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple how to add a web page to your bookmark folders in Google Chrome.